Good morning, guys. Hopefully you have had a great Monday, and today's off to a great start too. Please make sure that you're making good choices with the substitute, and you're behaving in a way that would make me proud. I will see you tomorrow. So I expect an awesome report because you guys are awesome. All right, please turn in your book to page 326. You need out your book and a pencil. Go ahead and pause the video while students are getting those things out. Okay, guys, so yesterday we talked about how to divide a fraction. So in order to divide a fraction, we talked about something that's called keep, change, and flip, or in other words, find the reciprocal, right? The opposite fraction. Now, today is no different. The only thing that we're going to add today, and our objective for today, is to be able to divide using with an improper, or with a mixed number. Okay, so we're adding a mixed number to the division problem. Okay, so the great thing about this, guys, is that you already know from multiplying mixed numbers, you already know how to do this. You just might not know it yet. All right, so over on the side, they have two great examples for you. So let's go ahead and do A from down in the bottom. Okay, A says that we have 2 3/8, and we're going to divide that into groups of 1/4, or we're going to divide it by 1/4. Okay, so remember when we did a multiplication, we need to change this mixed number into an improper fraction. Okay, and remember when we did that, we used our multiplication and addition. Guess what, guys? It's the same thing. You're going to put a multiplication sign and an addition sign right here. Okay? So in order to turn this mixed number into a improper fraction, you're going to take the 2 and you're going to multiply it by 8 and then add it to 3. So I have 2 times 8 is 16 plus 3, 16, 17, 18, 19. And so that would be 19. Remember, our denominator, or the bottom number, never ever changes. So my fraction is now 19/8. Okay, and now I do keep, change, flip, just like our division of fractions that we talked about yesterday. So I keep this one the same. I change this division sign to multiplication, and then I flip this part. Go ahead and pause the video now and practice multiplying this fraction. Okay, now that you've practiced multiplying it, hopefully you did something like this. I cross-divided and saw that I could put that 4 will go into 4 and 8. So I'm going to divide both of those by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 8 divided by 4 is 2. 19 and 1 is already as small as it will go, and so I can't do anything with those. And so now I'd simply multiply straight across. 19 times 1 is 19. 2 times 1 is 2. Okay, we have an improper fraction, so now we need to turn it back into a mixed number. And I do that by dividing. 2 goes into 19 9 times, and that's 18. I have 1 left. And so my answer is 9 wholes. I have 1 left over, and I'm making groups of 2. And so my answer is 9 and 1/2. Okay, let's go ahead and try B. Okay, B is 2 and 1/2 divided by, or divided into, groups of 3/7. Okay, so the first step is to change this into an improper fraction. So let's go ahead and put our multiplication sign and our addition sign. Okay, pause the video now and let's see if we can get this improper or this mixed number into an improper fraction. Okay, so hopefully you did 2 times 2, which is 4, plus 1, and so that would be 5/2. Pause the video now, and I want you to please make the rest of your math problem. Okay, so hopefully you did keep, change, and flip. And so hopefully this is your new math problem. Okay, go ahead and solve this. Put your head down when you're finished so that the substitute knows that you're ready to go on. Okay, so hopefully you did look to cross divide, and I can't cross divide anyway. And so I simply multiply straight across. 5 times 7 is 35. 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, now I'm going to divide it out to turn it back into a mixed number. 6 goes into 35 5 times, and I have 5 left over. And so my answer to B is 5 wholes, and then I have 5 left over that I couldn't group out of my groups of 6. Okay, now go ahead and do C on your own. Pause the video now. Okay, please take a moment to check with your partner or the person sitting next to you and look at C and discuss it. You have 45 seconds. Pause the video now. Okay, now that you've checked it, let's go ahead and flip over to page 327. All right, we have letter D. 4 1/5 divided by 2 1/3. Here's the deal, guys. It doesn't matter whether there's one mixed number or 2 mixed numbers. We do the same thing. Okay, step 1, let's put in our signs. Go ahead and put in all of your multiplication signs and addition signs. And then check up here when you're finished to make sure we have the same thing. Okay, let's make these into improper fractions. Go ahead and make them into improper fractions and pause the video now. Okay, hopefully you got 21/5. And then for the second one, you got 7/3. Okay. Now I'm going to keep, change, flip. So keep, change, and flip. Okay, and now we simply multiply straight across. So go ahead and finish up this problem. Okay, and a note for the sub. All of these answers for the rest D, E, and F are found in the teacher's edition that's in your sub basket. If students need more practice, or if you have time, please turn the page over and do page 327 together, and they can check it either with you or they can check it with their friend. Okay. All right. And go ahead and pause the video now and finish up with the lesson. Okay. Your homework is page 329 and 330. Please make sure we get this done. This is an essential standard, and we will be having a quiz on Thursday. All right, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. I hope you guys behaved, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. We'll see you soon.